Many people get stuck in routines, telling themselves, I will start tomorrow, and keep postponing action. Suddenly, one day they look back and realize a whole year has passed, but nothing important has changed. Dreams are still dreams, and that perfect moment never came. The real loss isn't failure or tragedy, it's invisible, that is, lost time, missed chances, and the silent pain of regret for things never attempted. This is the story of Arav, a man who lived a simple life. Same job, same schedule, same boats every day. Maybe next week, when I have time, when I am ready. Every morning he rushed to work. Every evening he came home tired. And every night he dreamed of a better life. But dreams only work if you do. And Arav never did. One afternoon, Arav's boss announced a new project. We need someone to lead this. For a second, Arav wanted to speak. He wanted to raise his hand. But a small voice in his head whispered, Not now, you are not ready. So he stayed silent. A week later, a younger colleague got the chance, and Arav sat there clapping with everyone. But deep inside, he clapped for what he just lost. That night, Arav couldn't sleep. He looked at his reflection and felt like he was staring at a stranger. He whispered to himself, When did I stop fighting for my dreams? He remembered how years ago he used to talk about opening his own business, traveling the world, helping his parents retire early. But now, all he had was a routine, a cage made of comfort. That night, he cried quietly, not because of failure, but because of time wasted. Next morning, Arav woke up early. No alarm, no excuses. He didn't plan big, he just decided to begin. He wrote down one line on paper. Today, I start. He sent one message, took one step, one action, and that single step became the start of a new life. He didn't wait for confidence, he built it. He didn't wait for the right time, he created it. If you are still waiting for the right time, remember this. There is no right time, there is only time, and it's passing right now. Every dream you delay is quietly dying inside you. So start, even if you are scared, even if it's messy, even if you are not ready, because tomorrow might come, but opportunity may not. When you look back one day, you shouldn't see what if, you should see I did. If you like the story, please like, share and subscribe for more informative videos. And what's one thing you have been waiting to start? Write it below and say, I will start today. Your time starts now. Thanks for watching.